Experiment 7. Aim of the experiment: to study the structure of human urinary system through charts or models. Theory: in humans, the excretion of nitrogenous waste products such as ammonia, urea and uric acid is carried out by the urinary system. The urinary system consists of paired kidneys, ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Waste is filtered from the blood and collected as urine in the kidneys. The urine then passes through the ureters and is temporarily stored in the urinary bladder. Finally, urine is expelled from the body through the urethra. Materials required: charts or models of the human urinary system. Procedure: 1. Observe the charts or models of the human urinary system and identify its different parts. 2. Create valuable diagrams illustrating the various components of the urinary system. Observations: the human urinary system comprises the following parts. 1. Kidney external structure. These are paired, reddish-brown, bean-shaped organs measuring about 10 cm in length and 6 cm in width. They are located along the posterior abdominal wall on either side of the backbone, protected by the last two pairs of ribs. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left one due to the presence of the liver on the right side. Each kidney has a notch called the hilum on its median surface, which serves as an entry and exit point for blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerves and ureters. The renal artery brings oxygenated blood containing waste products to the kidneys from the aorta, while the renal vein carries deoxygenated but filtered blood from the kidneys back to the heart. 2. Kidney internal structure. A longitudinal section of the kidney reveals two distinct regions, the outer cortex and the inner medulla. The cortex is dark red in color, while the medulla appears pale. The cortex contains structures such as Malpighian bodies, proximal and distal convoluted tubules, whereas the medulla houses Henle's loop and the main collecting ducts. Additionally, a pair of adrenal glands is located on top of the kidneys. The pelvis, a funnel-shaped cavity, collects urine within the kidney and transfers it to the ureters. The medullary pyramids, cone-shaped masses, project into the pelvis. The kidneys are composed of numerous nephrons or kidney tubules. 3. Ureters. These are two tubes, approximately 30 cm long, originating from each kidney. The ureters descend downwards and open into the urinary bladder. Their muscular walls are capable of peristaltic movements to facilitate the transport of urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. 4. Urinary bladder. The bladder is a pouch-like structure that temporarily stores urine before it is eliminated from the body. It has two openings from the ureters and one opening to the urethra. 5. Urethra. This tube-like structure originates from the urinary bladder. The opening of the bladder into the urethra is guarded by sphincter muscles. Urine is expelled through the urethra. In males, the urethra is approximately 20 cm long, while in females, it is around 4 cm long. Note: care should be taken when handling the charts or models to avoid damage. Precautions: 1. Handle the charts or models with care to prevent any damage. 2. Follow proper safety guidelines when working with the urinary system models or charts.